Hello everyone, so you're trying to find the best keywords for your video, but you don't know how to do that, you're not an SEO expert, and maybe that's a tough thing to do, especially that you don't know how your video is ranking. At the end of the day, you can put in your best title, description, and keywords and hope that it's good. But is that really going to work in terms of getting you to the front page, or is that going to work in terms of getting your video ranked? The best way to do it is to actually know from a trusted source that has a score that can say, hey, this is a good video. Not only is it a good video, but everything you put in here, the description, the title, and especially the keywords are going to help you get seen. How do you do that? Well, you can utilize the power of VidIQ right here, which is designed to boost your YouTube views and get more people to see you. And as we can see, really big names have been doing well with this. The Splitting Brit, you can see that he has a ton of subscribers, over 3 million subscribers, over 3 million subscribers right here from Marina Milenko, and all of these people love VidIQ. So if it's good enough for people who have millions of subscribers, billions of views, then this can be the push for your channel to get it up there. So what you want to do to get started with it is you simply sign up with your Google account, you put in your email address, and then you get the extension. After you have the extension, once you create a video, you'll see the VidIQ, and it'll also give you suggestions. As we can see here, this is the most advanced growth tool for video creators. So if you're creating videos and you're not using VidIQ, you're not seeing what your score is, and you're not doing that due diligence, you may be missing out on views, you might be missing out on conversions if you're selling something, and you could be missing out on potential people just to see your video and watch it, who are in that niche. So you have to understand what's working for your channel. It's not guessing. You can guess like, oh, I think these keywords look good, or this might work. Instead of guessing, take the guessing game out and start tracking and comparing your performance in real time so you don't miss an opportunity, and you can actually sign up for free, get the extension, and doing that. So how does it work is you boost your YouTube views. As you can see here, get more views, and you can see how the related keywords look. You can see the ranking and the competition right here as they go medium and low, and you want to get high scores. It's all about getting that high score. Without a high score, people are not going to see your video. It's not going to stand out as much, and really it's doing an injustice to your video, because if you put the time in making some great content, whether you're on camera or off camera, you want people to see it, and you want people to ultimately engage. The point of getting on YouTube, yes, is to enjoy your content, but also to get people to see it. And that way, you can use VidIQ to discover keyword, title, and description recommendations. Even if you're using pre-designed software to create it, it's going to give you recommendations like, hey, maybe change your title to this, instead of saying like, you know, how to get more views and how to get more views on you. It might suggest how to get more views in 2023, something like that for gaming. It'll really help you niche down what you need to do. And not just your title. It's also going to suggest keywords for you that you can put in there, and it'll even give you description recommendations. Let's face it, a lot of people are writing descriptions, and descriptions can be tough. So if you want a good description, VidIQ is definitely the way to go. And now they put AI into this, so now you can see what looks good. See, you can see get more views on TikTok. That's medium. That's okay. You can save this, but we want very high or high stuff. So we want to get more views in 2022, or now the year's 2023. That's a high one. That's what something a lot of people are searching for. But instead of trying to figure this all out yourself or looking at Google Trends all day, this is going to do it for you. Also, view prediction, very high. Get more views fast. So now it can just give you that information. You save it, and it gives you personalized also inspiration to boost your growth. So in turn, it's going to save you hours from just researching, trying to figure it out. You can actually see into the future view predictions and what the forecasted performance of each idea is. So instead of saying, I think this will do well, what does the actual graph say? And in turn, you break new ground. And by using all this, you supercharge your YouTube channel as well. And you can see the blog right here on views, monetization, analytics. They also have tips and insights from different creators as well. And they even have a community with an academy, a YouTube channel, a podcast, different brands, as well as features for daily ideas, keyword tools, competitor tools, channel audit, and all the features that come with that. So really take the guessing game out of it. If it's good enough for these huge huge channels. As we can see, these are all above millions. It's not just a channel with 100,000 or 200,000. These are into the millions, and they're using it. This is something you can utilize as well to get more eyeballs on your YouTube video and grow to your maximum potential.